Okay, about gentrification. So like if there's a gated community, why you need gates to get up the stairs?
Yeah, but we not.
And then you walk down some more, you have a gate again. Like it's like prison. Ain't nobody trying to be in prison. And then I look across the street. I thought there was a park. I saw flowers, y'all. It's a burial ground. So y'all know who afraid of Duppy, right? It's not me, but afraid of Duppy.
Who? I afraid of what Duppy? Me?
So I don't want to be next to the burial ground and then you up late at night.
It wasn't coming up.
Babe, right? You up late at night and you hear somebody walking and it's like the spirits them.
I'm not impressed. Where we going?
No, sir. Taylor's seeing all these dogs down here. Charleston is very dog central, okay? Dogs everywhere. And so now Taylor is having doggy fever. So she wants to go to an animal shelter. Just so you know, Taylor, we're not buying any dogs or adopting any. Sign me up. I come for this one. Sign me up. I come for this one. Sign me up. I come for this one. Sign me up. I come for it. I come for this one. Sign me up. I come for this one. Sign me up. I come for this one. Anyways, guys, we will see you guys whenever we decide where we're going. But we're so happy and excited that all of this apartment stuff is done. Finito.
Here you go.
You guys stay tuned for which one we choose. And
okay, welcome back, guys. And right now we are at like this pet adoption place, and I'm gonna be looking at puppies. I'm not gonna adopt them, but we're gonna just be looking. And yeah, that's it pretty much. So let's go.
you're finally getting to see puppies. Look at the crates.
Our dogs are going to be right through here.
Awesome.
And if there's anybody that you want to meet with, just let one of the girls in gray scrubs know, and they can give you some more information and then put you in a room.
Sure. Oh my, we've never been to a facility like this.
Well, I hope
Hi, cutie. Oh,
she's a really sweet girl.
hi,
too.
cutie pie.
Well, y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Hi there. Oh, they're looking sad, babe. Oh. Look at this one, he's happy. So we're sitting here. What are we waiting for?
We're waiting for a dog named Manfred, and we were just talking about him. He has like a heartworm. That's where it's like, it's not in the heart, but it can go there. And he's like, he has to exercise every day, and he can't play roughly, and
Until he's off of his antibiotics?
yeah, and you can take care of it. You can take care of the heartworm.
Shadow winning. So we're currently driving around Charleston, guys. We just left the adoption place and we're going to this area called Rainbow Row. But we're really enjoying the vibes, you know, just seeing the city. Look, rooftop vibes right here. You can probably see out to the water. Oh yeah, man. This is St. Thomas Field right here, babe. Oh, that's a market. They give you a crafts market. Alright guys, we're going to get some food at the Shem Creek Crabhouse. Ooh, let's see. Low Country Shrimp Boil. Now that sounds good.
Crab, I can't even bite into crab.
You don't have to eat crab, they have every other thing. So this is our view of the creek.
How are you?
You're bad.
Oh, it's that good? Let me try it.
I get it strong, it tastes really good.
It tastes like rum punch.
Yeah, you get a lot of yours.
Wow, that's good. Hey, I also want that. Taylor, how's yours? Good? Oh yeah, this is nice. Guys, this place is a foodie's paradise, okay? Foodie's paradise. Oh, by the way, the waitress just asked. She was like, oh, you're bad, huh? I was like, it means born a dreamer, okay? I made this hat I custom made this hat when we went to St. Thomas for Carnival. When last we went to St. Thomas for Carnival? Me and 2016. I made this hat. Born a dreamer. Yeah. Yum yum. And our oysters. Yay. Chicken seasoned waffle fries. Now we got hush puppies. We got some oysters. Lay up my Tabasco, please. Oh, and we have the grilled oysters. Yay! I've never had grilled oysters.
Here.
Yeah.
Love those.
What is it on? Salt?
Yes, it's rock salt.
Oh, cool. I always put my lemon on my oyster. I'm going to try my regular oyster lemon. The key is Tabasco. You can't have oysters without Tabasco. Like Good morning, Taylor.
Look at this.
Let me see. Okay, Magdalena Guandan.
I hooked it onto I tied my lace
Hold
on.
a water bottle, but you can't hold your phone.
I can't, because I don't even, see, I don't even
All right,
wanna hold
guys,
it in my
tell them what
hand.
we're doing.
We're walking again.
All right, man. So this is our what? Third day?
Third day. You drinking?
Where we at? Fifth?
Babe, today's Saturday. We've been here since last Monday.
No, we haven't been here since Monday.
Yes, we have. Just
Oh, you
think
mean
about
in
it.
South
Okay.
Carolina?
Yeah. Okay.
We've been
so
here for a full week. And today's
Pretty
not
much.
Saturday, today's Sunday, madam.
Today's Sunday.
Oh,
Daddy,
today's Sunday.
today's golf cart season.
Hold on. So today's Sunday. We've been here. Y'all seen the resort vibe. Y'all seen the apartment hunting. Y'all seen a little stroll through downtown probably. So now we're actually walking through our community. Seeing where we live downtown, taking strolls, checking out the old architecture.
Dude, this
Let's
is
take you all along with the ride. Don't touch.
Look at this place, man.
You know,
So-
so come along with us.
We want to show them just how much it gives them island vibes.
You just have to
Oh,
clean
that's
it
so
off.
cute, Taylor, for your little... That would be
Don't
nice.
touch.
All right, guys, so as you can see, look, so we're talking about gentrification. So this here, right here, and then look right next to it. You have this gorgeous home, and this one is also, looks like it was somewhat renovated.
Guy look like he owned this one, or he worked on it.
Oh. They're about to demo it, I guess. Wow. So this is the same block, guys, as you can see. This one, this looks like an entire like apartment little complex. There are different units in here. Super cute.
Downtown Soho kind of vibe. Like.
Yeah, and this one gives me very beachy vibes too.
I like the wood.
Yeah. Oh, inside looks nice. They're building it now? Oh yeah. Look, you can look in the door. They're putting in all the new stuff. We're being nosy, guys.
Look at the where they did the bulbs outside. With the piping.
Wow, they probably took old pipe. Yeah, see people inside decorating it now. There's a moving truck. They're bringing all the stuff in. Talking about looks like some house in the Caribbean. Look, they have cactus. Look at the plants right here. Look at the floor and the gate.
Auntie.
Tell me you ain't calling somebody auntie right here.
Mommy, Daddy,
Yeah, look at the hibiscus.
you know that house we went to?
Where'd it go?
Your grandma's house, I think.
My
Where
aunt's
I
house.
stayed when you guys were.
Yeah, my aunt's, yeah.
Yeah,
That's a rose maybe. I thought it was a hibiscus last night. At the swinging porch. Alright, so we made a left turn. Guys, as you look, so you have a little old on this side, right? But people are selling these little homes. And then look at this one, newly renovated. This is beautiful. Look at the grass. Babe, that's the grass I want.
It comes like a carpet, and then it grows. You lay out the carpet, and then it grows like that.
Look at the door.
It's called turf.
Look at the door, guys. So cute. So we're on the main road, like a block from us, walking. So this is really downtown, guys. So as you can see, the highway comes right here. This is the Septima Parkway. Somebody got a boat right there. We're about to, oh, we just crossed the road. Hurry up, guys. Look, a Rama's right on the block right here. That's 2 blocks from us. Little park, you can sit and watch the cars go by. People jogging, thank you. Still walking.
It's a salon.
Umbrella and cactuses. So cute. Whoa.
Why didn't you pet it?
Why don't you pet it?
Good car.
I'm seriously all in love with all the different colors. This is beautiful.
Wood with the palm outside is really nice.
Hey guys, so as you can see, we're walking around the downtown where Airbnb is, and what we're noticing is that a lot of places are closed on Sunday. This is what you call slow southern living.
Mama, look at that.
Oh yeah, they're doing that construction.
They took it apart.
Thing,
They're just keeping the frame, I guess.
Yeah.
Making it stronger.
And the other thing that you guys will notice from watching our videos is that it's very colorful. You either have houses that are white and black, or you have a rainbow assortment. And they're not too bold. They're really like the baby colors, like pinks, blues, you know, but pretty. Yellows. Yeah.
Hey,
But,
give them the shades.
so anyways, guys, right now we're about to go driving as we finish walking. We walked about 2 miles around and around exploring. So right now we're about to jump in the car, and I need to get ready for work tomorrow. Can I just say I'm a little nervous? It's so strange. Nervous being in a new state and going to work. Well, there's new things all around us, so we're really excited, and we're taking you guys along with us every step of the way. Say hi to the people in, babe.
Oh, what's up, guys? We're here trying to be nosy. Like you said, I got a bunch of people lined up across the street for something. So we're gonna know what's going on in case they're having an alphabet meeting over here.
What's up? Oh.
Those 3 alphabets we don't like, in case they're having one of those meetings.
Let's go. Turn right on Rutledge Avenue. Then turn right on UG Street.
Alright guys, so we are heading over the bridge into Mount Pleasant
Island.
We're gonna try and find the post office because we need to mail something off. And then we need to go and get something to eat because I promised them lunch together and it's now 3:30. And so it's way past lunchtime. So that's what we're gonna do. We're taking you guys along with us as we, you know, explore a new city and all of those fun things. You know, all those fun things. So thank you guys for being here. Right now, Taylor is about to do a list. We're getting ready to put together, like, what do you call that, babe? Like a care package. Tell them.
Okay, guys. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing a care package because we saw a lot of
1
people
mile.
who don't
Use
have
the right
homes,
2
so
lanes
we're
to
going
keep right.
to be helping them out until they can have homes.
One thing about the Matthews, we love to give back. We always try to focus on giving back, teaching the loved one to give back. We may not have a lot, but we are thankful for what we do have, and with the little bit we have, we try to share some of that. And that's how you keep the overflow coming.
That's right. Here, babe, I figured out what we did when we went to Shems Creek. We went right as opposed to 17. When I was coming down here the other day, I realized it.
Yeah?
All right, so we've made it. We're eating at the water's edge. There we go.
Why are you guys
Which one's the bourbon? This one? Oh, guys. So you know how since I've been here, the last video, we said how I love bourbon. I'm loving all that stuff. I'm big and bad out of bourbon, right?
Bourbon on the rocks with orange peel, she said.
Babe, but no, you squeeze the orange in it. It tastes better. That thing was strong, but let me tell you, bourbon
like
and
too orange.
bourbon and bubbles. I don't know what they did to that bourbon. It was really good. But this, let me try. It needs
It's
to
a
be a
straight
little
liquor.
sweeter.
I'll add a little bit of that.
Like this one is called a dark and stormy. This is better. What's in this one?
Dark rum, ginger beer, and something else. That's
This
nice,
one
right?
good. Taylor, you have a Shirley Temple? Somebody pulling up to the restaurant on their boat. So they're actually catching fish, don't they?
Afternoon on the water, boy. Imagine.
Babe, you know when summer come, we could rent one of those ones, right? And go out?
Yeah.
Like the Palmetto Breeze? Like that right there, so guys. That one. How's the soup, babe?
Wow, it's good.
Taylor got a salad, a side salad.
Yeah, you
That's
could
a
taste
huge
the sea.
salad.
Tastes so fresh, like you could taste the actual sea in it. Or it tastes like it cooked in salt water.
Oh, wow.
Right?
Let them season it with some of the water from them.
That's what it tastes like.
Look at that steam. You wanna try this piece? Whoa.
All lessons, gymnastics.
Hey guys, we just finished eating dinner and it was so delicious. The food was super good. Guys, what did you think about the food? What did you
Okay.
think about the food?
I was pretty good with seafood everywhere. You got normal seafood.
It was wonderful.